Well, hey guys, Keith of Alaskan Dual Sport, and it is the next day, and I'm going to try to finish up my XR80. Now, what I'm doing to this is the clutch is really hard to pull in. I mean, you got to have an adult grip to pull that in. So what I'm going to try to do to make it easier is I'm going to install a new clutch cable and possibly a new clutch handle, because this one, I don't know what's going on here. What is that? So we'll do the change these out, and hopefully this will make the clutch work a lot easier, make it a lot easier to ride. Well, I think to be able to route the clutch cable correctly, we're going to have to take off the tank and the seat. And of course, to take off the seat, we have to take off the side panels. So let's take off the side panels, the seat, and then we'll take off the tank, and then we can route it all down through with ease. Well, the first thing we got to do is take off these side panels. Alright, so to remove this seat, it looks like we have to undo these bolts. Alright, so I think the seat will come off now. There we go. Well, I thought I just heard some thunder, so I opened up the garage door. And the skies are all dark. So it must have been thunder. Alright, well, let's get back to working on this XR80. Let's go ahead and remove the tank. I think we need to remove these side panels first. Well, it just started pouring the rain down. So I've got the panels off and I'm ready to take this tank off. Hopefully I'll just be able to set it out of the way. I like to hear that rain coming down. Sounds cool. Alright, I think that'll work for my purposes. There's the clutch cable. Comes through here, runs through that metal bracket, and right through there. So now I can easily route that. Alright, so let's figure out how to disconnect this old one. Alright, well, let's go ahead and see if we can disconnect this cable up here at the handlebars. Oh, my door's gone close. It's downpouring. Alright, got the handle off. Alright, so I got the cable all disconnected. I think I'm going to go ahead and just take this off and put that new one on. Looks like it'd work a lot better. So let's try that. Alright, so I installed a new clutch handle. And now I'm going to start running this new cable. Run it down the way the old one went. Alright, so I had to undo this big rubber mount. And now we got to bend this out. There we go. And here's the new one. Alright, so now we got to disconnect this clutch cable from the end of the clutch right here. Alright, I got the old clutch cable out. Alright, so I got the new clutch cable in here. And I just adjusted it there so we can try to adjust it up here now. Alright, so I got it all through here. I just need to put this handle back on. Not easy to do with one hand. I'm going to go ahead and put the new bolt back through. And hopefully this is going to make this clutch a lot easier. I did play with the old cable and pulled on it, and it was really hard. So hopefully that was the problem. That and the old messed up handle. Alright, so let's finish tighten all these nuts up, and then we'll adjust the clutch. Alright, so I got the tank back on. Now let's put the side fairings on and the seat back on. And let's do it the easy way. Alright. Alright, so I got the clutch all adjusted, and it seems to be working very well. Now it is a little bit easier. It's probably half as easy, half as hard as it was, so that's definitely easier. So new clutch cable, new front sprocket, new back sprocket, and new chain. Sweet. And you know what we say, ride more. Alright guys, thanks for watching.